AnayaNation Ram FAM, what's up? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. Today's video is going to be an actual update to a video that I did about 2 months ago. It's the cabin air filter install. Now, if you guys haven't seen the video, I'll leave it up above somewhere. Okay, so you guys can click on it, watch that video on how to install the cabin air filter mod on the 4th gen Rams. Now, it's been 2 months since I've installed the cabin air filter, so we're going to dive in straight to the video, see if it's worth it, what debris and gunk has it caught since. And I've driven the truck about 2,500 miles in 2 months. And so we're going to see, is it working? Is it doing its duty? So let's go ahead and take a look. So you can actually see the filter right there. So let's go ahead and take it out. Take a look at the filter itself. So I took the filter out, you guys. Now if we look closely right here, it's pollen season. Well, I actually just finished, but you can look at all that gunk. You get some medium buildup, so I'm gonna just clean it out, reinstall, and put it back on and check it in another 2 to 3 months. But definitely worth the install on the mod. So like I said, definitely check that out. For 30 bucks, you can't go wrong. So most certainly, it's doing its job. All right, y'all. So she's clean. What I did is I took a dry vac, got the attachment to get in the nook and cranny, spread it out just a little bit, and then cleaned each area. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it back in. It's clean now. Like I said, I can do this about every 2 to 3 months, and then eventually you're going to need a replacement. I'm not certain as far as how many miles you should replace it, but as long as you take care of it and maintain it, taking out that debris and the gunk that it does catch, you should be good to go. But other than that, I'll leave in the link down below also the video as well as the supplies to go ahead and do the mod itself. Okay, hopefully you guys have a great day. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel and be a part of the AnayaNation Ram fam. Thanks, guys.